Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am reviewing the MAELOVE The Hydrator Intensive Hydration Serum. MAELOVE kindly sent this over as part of PR last year, and I am not getting paid to share my thoughts and opinions with you all today. If you are new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Consider subscribing if you love product reviews. MAELOVE describes this as a moisture boosting gel serum that spreads well and layers easily for all day hydration. You can find this serum at MAELOVE.com. A 1 ounce unit retails for $32.95. I will be sure to link it down below for you. MAELOVE suggests that you use this in the morning or evening for an instant moisture boost. You want to apply a thin layer to the face, neck, and chest. For maximum hydration, you want to apply to damp skin and seal it in with a moisturizer. This serum has 6 ingredients, key ingredients here being hyaluronic acid, panthenol, and resveratrol. Hyaluronic acid is an anti-aging hydrator that can boost the skin's moisture content, soothe, and defend against moisture loss. Panthenol is another hydrator that can help the skin retain moisture and reduce sensitivity-induced redness. Resveratrol is an anti-aging antioxidant that also helps to fade dark spots and soothe the skin as it supports the skin's collagen content. I first began using this on March 1st and thought it was a nice hydrating serum. It sank into the skin quickly, it had a natural finish, and there was no radiant glow. If you know me, I love me a radiant glow. This was not sticky, and I noted that this was one of the thicker hyaluronic acid serums I've ever used. Throughout the test, I noted that it hydrated the skin nicely. It paired beautifully with the Inky List moisturizer, the perfect non-sticky combo that I think would work great for dehydrated, oily skin. I will link my review to the Inky List moisturizer up above. It's definitely an affordable option for those looking to add a new moisturizer to their routine. And although the formula was thicker in texture than what I am personally used to, it kept the skin hydrated, not sticky, even when I paired it with another moisturizer, the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I've used and reviewed a number of hydrating serums here on this channel, and I think that this might be the most affordable one yet. The last hydrating serum I reviewed on my channel was the Medicate Hydrate Serum. I will link my review to that up above. The formula is loaded with anti-agers, about 33 hydrators in total, and it's also $72. So it's definitely one of the more expensive hydrating serums I've tried, the most expensive being the SkinCeuticals hyaluronic acid, and strictly pretty much hyaluronic acid alone serum that retails for $90. No. The Medicate formula and the Glow recipe formulas are 2 of my very personal favorites. I'd highly recommend the Medicate formula to those who obviously can afford it, and to those who are already showing the signs of aging, fine lines, deep lines, wrinkles. I definitely got sad when I emptied that serum. It may be my #1 hydrating serum. The Glow recipe formula is a favorite for another reason. It does have 5 different forms of hyaluronic acid, and it's also got 15 hydrating ingredients along with some really good anti-agers. The Medicate formula still has the most anti-agers of the 2, however. The Glow recipe gives my skin the most amazing glow. Dull skin would literally thrive with the Glow Recipe formula. The MAELOVE formula, I find, hydrates and slightly plumps the skin, but it doesn't give the skin much of a glow. So that tells me that it is perfect for oily skin that could possibly enjoy this as a summertime hydrator, as it won't add too much of a glow and it will not make the skin feel grimy or greasy at the end of the day. Sometimes for summertime, I do recommend that you use more of a hyaluronic acid based serum instead of a moisturizer if you lean on the more oily side, perhaps if you also suffer from dehydrated skin. So this worked very well with multiple skincare ranges such as First Aid Beauty, Pharmacy, the Inky List. I did not use this during the day. However, my skin has felt so comfortable this winter that I haven't had to use oils, and just a few years ago I could not go a routine without using a face oil, but look at us now. Moisturizers though, I have been testing those, loads of them this winter, so this played very well with all of them. This formula is so simple. It worked very well with my most basic moisturizers and even my Pharmacy 10% niacinamide mask, which I tend to use when I want to diffuse the appearance of pores, not just on the forehead but the cheeks, you know, everywhere. So I'd pair this with the Pharmacy 10% niacinamide mask, and oh my god, I will link my review to that Pharmacy mask up above in case you're dealing with enlarged pores. My favorite way to use this was by double cleansing. I would start off with the Alpha H cleansing balm, the Osea cleanser. I would tone / exfoliate with the First Aid Beauty facial radiance pads. I will link my review to these up above for you. I would apply, I want to say 4 drops of this to the skin, and then I would apply a healthy, very generous amount of the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I would finish off with my favorite eye and lip products, and we are ready for bed. Because the anti-aging ingredients here are rather minimal, I would recommend this to those who are just starting their skincare journey and are looking to add a hydrating serum to their routine, or to those who are looking to avoid a creamy moisturizer instead and want to opt for a lightweight serum. My pros here are a limited ingredients list, which means that you can pair this with other actives as well. This is affordable. This is definitely a more interesting formula and texture than the $90 SkinCeuticals serum. I mean, the packaging is incredibly basic, and I don't necessarily mind spending $33 on something like this. But spending $90 for hyaluronic acid in a dropper just does not make sense to me. Cons, I don't really have one. It's hard not to like this. I liked it. So even though I liked it, this is not my new favorite. And although the texture is interesting, nothing will really compare to that Medicaid formula for me. Personally, this did not wow me as much as Glow Recipe Plump or the Pharmacy Hydrating Serum. But this did keep my skin hydrated and it met its claim. But meh. You know, I am going to use it because I opened it, but I feel like it will work a lot better on younger, more youthful skin, and you know, it's affordable. So I am rating this a 7.5 out of 10. Let me know if you have used this product by MAELOVE in the comments down below. What's your skin type? What were your results? Would you recommend this to others? Let's discuss in the comments down below. Thank you all so much for spending some time with me today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy videos like this. Also, give the video a like if you learned something new today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hello everyone and welcome back to audio.